And this is our beans with pork knuckles. So we are putting Donna Elena extra virgin olive oil. Here we go. Just like that. Ang laking bagay na dito, nung ham, celery, tsaka onions and the carrots. It really enhance the taste. Tahimik. Sarap eh. Sarap talaga. Hello and welcome to Gom at Home. I'm Richard Gomez. Today we are preparing pork and beans. Now we're using pork knuckles and white beans. Now, when you're cooking this, is that kailangan sa gabi pa lang, binabad nyo na itong beans na to. Para pag binoil mo siya, sandali na, it will not take you more than 30 minutes pag-boil na. Otherwise, masyado siya matagal. Okay? Then what we'll do is, we'll cook this separately and the beans para sabay-sabay siyang naluluto. Okay? First, gawin natin, meron tayong Spanish ham. No, ito yung retaso ng mga Spanish ham namin. So we have lots of it. No, gawin natin. Sasama natin sa pag-ginisa natin yung pork knuckles. Cut them in small pieces. Okay. Yun. So this one, ang cooking time nito siguro will take you about an hour and a half. An hour and a half. Busin ko na to. Sama na dito. Yun. So we're ready. We'll heat up our pan. And then, ilalagay natin una yung hamon para mag-render yung fat niya. There. Then, lagyan natin siya ng konting oil para mas mabilis yung pag-render ng fat. We are putting Donna Elena extra virgin olive oil. Here we go. Just like that. Para pang-render lang yan. Tapos, lalagyan natin yung onions natin, garlic, and then yung pata. Okay? So, while we're doing that, gagawin natin itong onions natin. And since matagal natin lulutuin yung pork na to, mahaba-haba itong mahaba bang kuluan to. Yung onions natin, they don't need to be cut in a small way, no? Yan. You can do things sabay-sabay. Babantayan mo lang na hindi masunog yung niluluto mo. Yun, no? Naamoy mo na, oh. Naamoy mo na yung hamon, no? Nice. Sarap. And then, lalagyan natin itong pork natin. Okay? There you go. Nice. Good. Leave it there. Okay. Nice. And then, tuloy lang natin yung veggies natin. Lalagyan natin doon habang pinapalambot natin yung pork natin. And at the same time, yung beans niyo, what you can do is boil it na rin, no? I-boil niyo na siya para lumambot na siya. Okay? So we'll continue preparing our sahog. It's basically mirepoix. Yan, no? Andiyan yung celery, carrots, tapos yung onions, no? Since pork knuckles yung gamit natin, hindi maiwasan yung pork knuckles, mayroon yung konting lansa. So, para matanggal natin yung lansa, we are going to put we'll put some rosemary, we'll put in some bay leaves, and we'll put a little of ginger. Pang-kontra lang sa pang-kontra lang yan din sa lansa. Okay, there you go. So, yung carrots natin is cut into cubes. No? We have our ginger. Ito. So, laki mo lang yung putol. Not too much, para hindi rin overpowering. Yan. But it will make a difference sa taste ng beans na ginagawa natin. So, ito naman, our celery. Ayan, no? Sa pagputol ng celery. Tapos using a sharp knife. Ito regalo ni Paula Locsin sa akin. In one of her trips. Damascus knife, beautiful. It's a Japanese Damascus knife. Ganda, oh. Ito mo yung layers. Yung Damascus knife kasi paggawa ng Damascus steel, talagang layers of steel yan. Hini-heat up and then fina-fold. Hini-heat up, then fina-fold, hina-hammer. No, until yung desired mo na number of layers. And it's very sharp. Yun yung technology na ginagamit ng mga Japanese before paggawa nila ng samurai, mga swords nila. Ayan. Damascus. Beautiful. Busin natin to. Okay. So we'll check on our pork. Tignan natin kung saan ito. Goody. Beautiful. And then lalagyan natin yan, no? Itong mga veggies natin. Unahin natin itong luya. And then we'll put in our onions. Nice. Yeah. We'll put in our celery. Yeah. Beauty. We'll put in our carrots. Nice. Just do that. Okay. Then we'll put in some garlic. Just do that. Malalaking puto is okay. Kasi by then na maluto to, malambot na siya. Kasi medyo tagal-tagal yung cooking time natin for that. Put in 2 more. That should be good. Yeah. Put it here. We'll mix this and then put some water. Okay. We'll put some tomatoes. Tignan natin dalawa. One. So ito. Put this here. Just like that. And then put some water. Panlisayin yung tomatoes. Ayan. Okay. What we'll do is, we'll mix this. And then lalagyan siya ng water. And then we'll let it boil until lumambot siya ng gusto. Yun. We'll put in some salt and pepper. Nice. Yan. So, ito na yung matagal na hintayan natin dito. Yan yun. Okay. Put in water. Hanggang sa lumambot na siya. Okay, there you go. Itong bay leaves na to, laurel. Actually, ito siya. Pag halaman siya, ito yung itsura niya. No? Tapos, mabango na rin siya kahit ganito. Bango. See? So, ito, tsaka ito, isa lang to. So, harvest tayo ng rosemary. We will use, no, para gisa natin sa pork knuckle. This should be good enough. So what I'll do is just wash it a little. Go. Oh, yan, no, hot water. Okay. Yan. Para malinis yung natin. Para malinis yung dahon. And then we'll put in some bay leaves. Put in about this much. Tapos ito yung rosemary. Okay? Rosemary there. There. And then yung bay leaves. So, yung paligid. Ito isang halo. Okay. Goody. Salt and pepper na lang. Let's grind lots of pepper. Okay, good. Pepper. Lots of pepper. There you go. Beautiful. Then we'll put in some salt. It's about 3 tablespoons of salt. One more mix, and then we'll let it boil until it's soft. And then by the time, pati yung beans natin, yung niluto natin na beans, malambot na rin. Hindi pa natin pwedeng tikman to because hindi pa luto yung pork natin. Okay? Especially with pork, you really have to cook your pork well. Okay? From here on, 1 hour. I expect this to be a bit salty kasi ganun ko siya pinipare. Lalagyan natin yung beans. And yung beans, alam natin na matabang ang lasa nun. So yun na mag-absorb ng salt to bring the taste. Oh! Sarap. Good. 15 more minutes. And then, ilalagyan natin yung beans na naluto na. We'll put it here. Then boil it for another few more minutes. Then, we're ready to serve. Okay? Good. So, what we'll do now, ito ilalagay natin na last condiment natin dun sa pork natin. No? Yeah. I'll cut this into cubes. To give more depth of flavor and beautiful color sa dish natin. Okay? Here. And then, lagyan natin siya ng konting paprika. This is a powdered version of the bell pepper. Put in a tablespoon. Then. Good. And we'll mix it. Mas magiging dark pa yung color nito ngayon. See that? Yan. Then we'll let it boil a little more. There we go. We're almost done. Prepare ko lang yan, no? Onions. Etong onions, masarap to yun, no? Ilalagay mo dun sa pagkakainin mo na yung beans mo, lagyan mo siya ng onions. But this may preference, no? Some people, they don't like raw onions kasi sa kanila pungent yung taste, medyo malakas. But it gives another layer of flavor dun sa food natin. Sprinkle mo lang siya ng olive oil. Sarap. Okay. So we'll peel this one. Sa mga ganitong panahon medyo nag-uulan ng konti. Ito yung masarap kainin eh. Yung panahon may binabagayan no. Talagang yun yung talagang weather lang eh. Okay? So. Okay. Next, lalagyan natin yung beans natin. Final check. Nung sa meat natin, kung malambot na ba. Good. Nice. Okay. What I have here, ito yung beans na sinok natin overnight. And then pinakuluan lang, no? Para lumambot siya. Don't make it too soft kasi yung beans madali siyang madurog. So hindi ko siya gusto na lutuin together with the pork hanggang sa lumambot, no. So separate para makontrol ko na hindi durog yung beans. Because even at this point, ilagay mo yung beans, may konting durog pa rin siya. Yan. Nalagay natin yung beans natin inside. Wow! Sarap na nito. There you go. And then we'll boil it for a few minutes. Para mag-marry together yun, no? Yung flavors ng pork natin, ng ham, no? Dun sa beans, you know. Nice. Nice. As with that, magtithicken up yung sauce natin. And see that? See how beautiful it is. And put more beans. Goody. Nice. Okay. At this point, we can lower our heat and then let it simmer. Ayan. After 1 hour and 30 minutes of cooking this, serve na tayo. Yun. Bango. Nice. So we'll serve this. Beauty. Ganda. Pork pata natin. Nice. Yan ang sauce. Beautiful. There you go. We put some olive oil. To enhance the flavor and the taste of our pork and beans. Tapos, yung pinutol natin kanina na onions. Ito yung pinaka-condiment natin. On top. Yan siya. That's the one. Okay. And this is our beans with pork knuckles. Yung pork, yun, lambot talaga, oh. See the pork? Mainit pero masarap. With the onions. And then yung beans. Teka. Init. Lami. Really good. Tahimik. Sarap eh. Sarap talaga. Ganun pala kaya pala pag kumakain sa lamesa, biglang tahimik ka. That means, either masarap yung pagkain or gutom na gutom ka lang talaga. Dalawa lang yan. But this time, masarap talaga. Pati yung, tamang-tama pati yung, yung pagkalambot ng, ng baboy. Ito yung gusto ko, yung talagang, nagbibigil yung taba. Yung mga ganun, sarap talaga. Wow. So there you go. Here's your pork pata with beans. Ang laking bagay na dito. Nung ham, celery, tsaka onions and the carrots. It really enhance the taste. Tapos yung kicker natin sa huli, yung paprika plus yung rosemary and dahon ng laurel. So there you go. That's our food for this week. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell. Again, do this in your own kitchen, share with your friends, and enjoy with your family. I'm Richard Gomez. I'll see you again next time, right here in Goma at Home. Goodbye.